Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mixed vegetable Sabzi lunchbox recipes. First, understand that this healthy and flavorful dish is perfect for a nutritious midday meal. It offers essential vitamins and fiber, making it a great choice for your daily intake. This recipe combines various vegetables and spices for a balanced and delicious lunch. Plus, preparation is efficient, often taking less than 30 minutes of active cooking time, which is ideal for busy schedules. Next, let's talk about choosing your vegetables. Select a colorful variety of fresh, seasonal options such as carrots, peas, green beans, and potatoes. Ensure all produce is thoroughly washed and dried before you begin any chopping. Cutting vegetables into uniform, bite-sized pieces, approximately 1-inch cubes, is crucial for even cooking. This consistency helps everything cook perfectly at the same rate, ensuring a delightful texture in every bite. Now, let's move on to the cooking process and spices. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan, then add cumin seeds and allow them to splutter. Sauté finely chopped onions and a ginger-garlic paste until fragrant, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Then, add your chopped vegetables along with essential spices like turmeric, coriander, and red chili powder. Cook this mixture until the vegetables are tender, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. Finally, here are some essential packing and storage tips for your lunchbox. Always allow the cooked sabzi to cool completely before packing it into your container. This prevents condensation and keeps your meal fresh. Pair your delicious mixed vegetable sabzi with whole wheat roti, brown rice, or a small side salad for a complete meal. Store the sabzi in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days to maintain optimal freshness and flavor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.